Want to change your gamer badge in eFootball on PC? In this video, I'll show you how to change your gamer badge in eFootball on PC. So, let's get started. First, open up the eFootball app. After that, slide through the Extras option. Then, click on your profile or avatar option, not user information. Then, press Y to edit user information. Next, here you can see the badges option. Scroll down and click on it. Here, you will see a list of unlocked badges. Then, choose the badge you want to display. Click on it. You can equip up to 3 badges to display simultaneously in the 2026 UI. Click on a badge slot. Choose your desired badge from the list and confirm. That's all. This is how you change your gamer badge in eFootball on PC. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.